Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to show you a basic CSS effect that could be useful for when you want to apply a style to one element of a list. So the effect that we're looking for is this, where if I hover this element here, you see that all of the other elements fade out, and I can switch over and just hover one of the elements as I please, basically. So let's get into it. Let's have a look here. So as we can see here, this is the basic HTML right here. Like, it's just a list. And the way that it works is very simply that, all right, first and foremost, we set display flex on our list element, and that's going to be the thing that makes everything kind of align nicely in one row. And then we have the list item, basically, and then we use this selector here, where we say that list element, not last child. Basically what happens there is that this means that this little bar you can see here in the middle is not going to be on the last element. I've shown you that in the previous video that I released about this. So the magic selector that makes all this happen is this little guy here. So what we're saying now is that, all right, grab me the UL, and when I hover that UL, take a look at the list item that is not being hovered and apply an opacity of 0.5. What this literally means is that when I'm hovering this element, all the other elements in that list is now having this selector applied to it. Because if you think about it, like if I'm hovering a list item inside of an unordered list, I'm hovering both, and that's exactly what we're looking for here. That's why the selector is working. So I'm hovering the list item, and I'm hovering the UL at the same time. And then I'm simply saying that, all right, apply this to everything that is not being hovered. And that's all the magic there is to this little effect. It's a very nice effect that you can use on basically any element that contains multiple children. So hopefully you found this useful. Have a great day.